Good morning, students. Today we learn HTML list tag. We can list our items, subjects, or menus in the form of the list. HTML gives us three different types of list, like as unordered HTML list, order HTML list, and third is definition list, description list. What is the unordered list? An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. The most common unordered list we will find on the web is a collection of hyperlinks to other documents. Unordered list is created by using UL tag. The list is marked with bullets. The bullets itself comes in their flavors, like as squares, disc, and circle. The default bullet displayed by most web browser on the full disk. Here you can see the one example of unordered list. Some tags are used here. Here we see that which tag is used to start unordered list. UL tag. UL style equal to list style type. Which type? Circle type. Next is li tag. What is the use of li tag? Li tag is used to display list attributes. How many list attribute you are displaying is here. There are three attributes. First is coffee, tea, milk. Which types of list? Circle type. Then first list is complete, UL tag also close. After that second is second UL tag open, because second is displayed. Which types of disk types second UL list is displayed. Same items are here in, but difference of these two types. First UL list is circle type, and second list is disk type. Both are unordered list, just its type is different. Here you can see the output of the program. First list is which types? Circle types, and second list is disk type. It is the circle type, and second type is the disk type. Second list is the second type of the list, order list. The typical browser format the contents of an order list just like an unordered list, expect that the items are numbered instead of bullets. The number start at 1 and is incrementally by 1 for each successive order list elements. In order list, which tag is used? Li tag. An order list starts with the OL tag. Each list item start with the li tag. The list items will be marked with number by default. Here you can see the program of order list. Same unordered and order list, these are the same, just one basic difference of two program. This difference is the tag difference. In unordered list you can use UL tag, and order list you can use OL tag. Which type? OL type is 1. And how many items are listed in this first type? 3 items: coffee, tea, and milk. Second list also is A type, capital A type. How many items in second list? This is the 3 items of the second list. Here you can see the answer of list. First list is number order list. Here automatically increase the number, and second list is the which types of capital A. It's automatically increase the capital A, B, C up to last count. And last types of list is the description list. HTML also supports description list. A description list is a list item with the description of each term. The DL tag defines the description list, and DT tag defines the items names, and the DD tag describes the each term. You can see the program when you understand the what is the DL tag, DT tag and DD tag. Here you can see description list start from DL tag. In description list you can take one item which item name is copy, and the description of copy tag is defined by DD tag. What is the meaning of DT tag? DT tag is mean by data description. Here you have to take 2 items. First is copy and second is milk. And what is the description of copy? Black hot drink. And what is the description of milk? White cold drink. Here in this output you can see the description of copy tag and milk tag. The copy tag description is black hot drink, and milk tag description is white cold drink.